Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for skincare enthusiasts and anyone looking to tackle stubborn blackheads and acne. This is the ultimate pimple popper toolkit from BLAAROOM. If you're serious about skincare, you'll want to pay attention to this. This pimple popper toolkit isn't just any set of tools. It's specifically designed to help you effectively remove blackheads, whiteheads, and other skin blemishes with precision and ease. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are built to last and crafted for maximum comfort and control. What sets this kit apart? Well, it includes 6 different tools, each serving a unique purpose. From extracting pesky blackheads to managing whiteheads and even those hard-to-reach areas on your nose and chin, this kit covers it all. The anti-slip design ensures a firm grip, allowing you to maintain precise pressure for effective extraction without damaging your skin. Plus, the rust-proof stainless steel ensures durability, making these tools a long-term investment in your skincare routine. Imagine having the power to treat your skin at home like a professional. This kit empowers you to do just that. Whether you're dealing with occasional breakouts or you want to maintain clear, healthy skin regularly, these tools are your go-to solution. So, if you're ready to take your skincare routine to the next level and say goodbye to stubborn blackheads and acne, check out the BLAAROOM Pimple Popper Toolkit. You can find the link in the description below. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.